grade 2. How are you today? Today is week. And what is the date today? Today is magic, right? Now, let's start our lesson and we will have a what? A good time studying. So let's get your book and let us start. Get your math book. Do you have your math book? Good. Today is week 5, July 12 to 16, 2021. Addition without regrouping. Episode 9. Let's start. Addition in regrouping. What is regrouping? Regrouping in math is a term used to describe the process of changing groups of ones into tens to make adding and subtracting easier. I'll give you an example. I have here numbers that I arrange from ones, tens, hundreds from our place value. 510, we write the higher number, followed by the lower number, 389. The answer will give you 899. Teacher, how did we get the number 899 as the answer? Well, let me show you. After arranging the bigger number and then followed by the lower number, let's put a plus sign and let's add the addends. 0 is an addend and 9 is another addend. And we will get the sum of 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. That's for the ones place. For the tens place, we have 1 plus 8. It will give you 9. Let's go for the hundreds place. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. Now, the answer is 899. Addend is a number added to another number, just like what we did. And we only add numbers from zeros to 9. That's why I gave an example: 0 plus 9, 1 plus 8, and 5 plus 3.
Today we're going to learn about addition without regrouping. Hi, Candy. I have 12 red sticks and 6 yellow sticks. Can you add them all before we play? I'll just go to the restroom.
Okay, no problem. 12 plus 6 is equal to... Wait, how would these numbers possibly fit with all my fingers? I have only 10 fingers.
Hi, Candy. Were you able to add everything?
I'm sorry, Dave. There's a lot. All these are more than 10. My fingers are not enough.
Remember, Candy, it's easier to add if you keep in mind the big numbers than just add the small numbers using your fingers. Here, let me teach you first. In adding 12 plus 6, keep in mind the bigger number, which is 12, then count on 6 more numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to start counting at 12. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 12 plus 6 equals 18. However, there's a far easier way to add big numbers. We'll use the vertical method of addition. It's called vertical because we're going to write the numbers in a standing manner. Like this, 12 plus 6 equals. In vertical addition, we use a long bar to show equals. Next, add the number on the rightmost column, the column of ones. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. Lastly, add the numbers at the leftmost, the column of tens. That's 1 plus nothing equals 1. Make sure that you put the answer below the numbers that you added. There, put 18. 12 plus 6 is 18.
How about if the numbers are really big, like 24 plus 25?
Oh, that's easy. You can use the same steps. You can use the vertical addition too. Write the numbers in a vertical position. 24 plus 25 equals. Then add the numbers in the ones column. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Lastly, add the numbers in the tens column. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There you go. 24 plus 25 is equal to 49. It's easy, right? Remember to always add big numbers using the vertical method of addition.
Yep, I can add the big numbers already. Thanks, Dave. I had fun learning with you.
Did you have fun learning about addition without regrouping?
After watching the video, it will help us understand what is written on page 52. Here, I wrote the answers for number 3. Janice has 8 stickers. Siti gives her 6 more stickers. So how many stickers does Janice have altogether? I wrote there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for Janice stickers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for Siti's 6 stickers. And the answer is 8 plus 6 equals 14. Or 6 plus 8 is equals 14. So even if you transpose or change the numbers, it will still give you 14. Now, let's go to the next one. Let's add mentally. So if the video was a bit hard, let me help you learn. So here the book has 22 plus 7. So we break down the 22 into tens place. So it's easier to remember. 20 plus 2 is 22. And then we add 7. So we add first the ones, the 7 and the 2. Will give you 9. So 9 plus 20 is 29. See, it's easy to remember. We don't need to use paper and pencil. We can do this whenever we are outside our school or house, when we go to the supermarket or meet with friends and then we have to add numbers. We can do it mentally in your head. Now, let's try another example. Add 18 and 40. Can you do it? Okay, let me help you add 18 and 40 mentally in your head. 18 plus 40, let's break down 18. Let's make 10 plus 8. And then let's add 40. So 40 is in the tens place and 10 is the tens place as well. So let's add 40 and 10. What will be the answer? 50, and then you just bring down 8. And the number is 58. See, we can add numbers without a pen and a pencil. Okay, grade 2. Now we can open our book on page 57. Let's try answering the activity. Use base 10 sets to help you add. Use your mini whiteboard as a place value chart to show your addition. Add 131 and 15. The answer from the book is 146. First, let's add the numbers, or before adding the numbers, let's arrange them from ones, tens, hundreds. Let's write the bigger value first. 131 and then 15. So we add, what do we add? Yes, we add the ones place. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then we add the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4. And from the hundreds place, it's nothing to add. So we bring down 1. So the answer is 146. What about you if we do letter A? Can you do it? I will show you how. And you do letter B, C, and D. So the first one, we have there, what? Do you know the number? Yes. It's 120 plus 17. What will be the answer? First, let's put it in a vertical position. 120 plus 17 will give you what? First, you add 0 plus 7 is, yes, 7. 0 plus 7 is 0. And then we add the tens place. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we bring down 1 because there's nothing to add below 1. So the answer is 137. So that is the answer for letter A. I will write here the answer. 137. Now, what about do and learn? Can you do this? Okay, I will help you remember in adding the numbers in expanded form like what we did from our past lesson. Now, for letter A, we write it. 345 in expanded form is 300 plus 40 plus 5. And then 31 is 30 plus 1. Now we can add them. How do we add them? Okay, we add the, well, we can add this way. 300 plus 40 plus 30 is, we can count 40, 50, 60, 70. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. So let's add the expanded form again. So 300 plus 70 is 370 plus 6 will give you 376. Or if you want, we can do it another way, like this one. We can add the tens place and ones place first. 70 plus 6 is 76, and then we add the 300. So we can say that the answer is 300 plus 76 is 376. Whatever is convenient for you to learn addition in expanded form, it's up to you. So you can do it in two ways. Now, Let's do B, C, and D all by ourselves. And I will check your book next week. So we end our activity on page 57 here. Okay, grade 2. Now we've finished our lesson for today. So enjoy your day and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.